Where are we right now?
Miami.
Holy.
We're anchoring here.
2 more days and then the Bahamas.
Did you use it all over?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Dry up on the front. Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
There's the coconut milk is in there. Sorry, man. There you go.
Here, I'll get a straw.
Mmm. It's good, right? It's like coconut water.
What?
Try.
No.
That's like the best thing I've ever had.
Nice. That's good, guys.
It's a mystery to me. We have agreed with which we have agreed. You think you have to want more than you need. Until you have it all, you won't be free. Society, you're a crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely without me. When you want more than you have, you think you need. And when you think more than you want, your thoughts begin to bleed. I think I need to find a bigger place. 'Cause when you have more than you think, you need more space. Society, you're a crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely without me. Society, crazy indeed. I hope you're not lonely without me.
We've been sailing from Miami. We're getting to the Bahamas and we see land.
Yeah, we've been going like 5 knots. I mean, like, that's pretty good for no motoring at all. And we can see a slight bit of land.
The GoPro makes everything look far, and that's so far.
Let's just look at how blue this water is. Yeah, like that straight up looks like food coloring water. Here.
We are in the Bahamas. Look at this water. And there's flying fish jumping all around, and I almost just tripped and fell.
Wow. Wow, guys. Oh my gosh. So emotional. We went from a super little tiny boat from sailing in a lake, and then at a cottage, and then we switched over and sold that one and got this big Coco and just sat in the boatyard for like so long just fixing this thing up because it was a total junkyard. Yeah, it took a while. You guys remember those videos? Yeah, it was a pretty big struggle, and then we're like, oh, all right, let's get going. And then we are in Folly Beach sitting at a marina fixing our boat for so long, and then we move on and we're sailing down. We stop at so much different anchorages, and then we go through Georgia. We get out of Georgia, and then we're like, oh, we made it to Florida. And then we went all the way down to Florida, and then we went to Miami, and then now we're in the Bahamas.
Got both sails up, and we are flying right now. 2.6. Going to the Berry Islands.
Wait, I need to like, I know, but my goggles are so blurry, I can't even see a thing.
Don't fall.
How's it feel? Yeah, now put your head down. You can go down to the next ladder if you want. Or no, the next.
What the?
Is it cool?
It's like a farm of grass.
Oh, you're way good. It's so easy.
Edie, don't let go.
It looks crazy. Yeah.
Okay, 5 years later.
Whoa! Oh, what do you think he is?
I don't know. Anybody? He's going in.
Going in.
First fish in the Bahamas. Goodbye. Let's see. What was he? A barjack. That's what it looks like.
So you're experiencing science right now.
Behind me right now is a cold front. The wind just shifted so hard. It was so warm, and then out of nowhere it got really, really, really cold.
What are the winds at?
Okay. 19.2.
Wow.
You want to see it?